Welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we are going to be using this Dollar Tree frosted window film. And this is going to be a relatively easy DIY. Not only will we be using the Dollar Tree film, I'll also be using some of these Dollar Tree chandelier pendants that I made in a previous DIY. And I'll link it below. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing I want to do is take one of my Dollar Tree cylinder vases, and I'm going to apply some Wicked Stick It. You can use some spray adhesive, you can use some Mod Podge, it's totally up to you. I'm going to put some Wicked Stick into this Dollar Tree cup. So now I'm going to put my hand on the inside and just brush it onto my vase. And you want to do this in the same direction. Okay, so now I'm going to allow this to sit for about 3 minutes. So I went ahead and changed the background so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So let's go ahead and open this. See the design here, right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is separate this from the backing and wrap it around my vase. Okay, so you might have to lift it and remove the wrinkles. The thing that I like about the Wicked Stick It is that it's very forgiving. So if you need to lift it up, remove those wrinkles, you can. So let's just go ahead and cut off the excess. Okay, now I want to lift this up and get a better cut. Okay, so now I'm going to take a lighter and just go around the bottom and push it under. Okay, and that's what the bottom looks like. Isn't that pretty? So smooth. Now I'll do the same thing for the top. Okay, and now we have our frosted glass. Isn't that neat? Okay, so I'm going to put that there for now. Okay, so now let's do 3 rows of mirror tile. And now we're going to take 8 rows of mirror tile and put it around the base. Again, we'll start in the back. Now, again, I said we will be using the chandelier pendants, so therefore we need something to hang our pendants from. Here I have one of these Dollar Tree candle holders. Let's go ahead and remove the back. All right, and I have my UV light. I have my UV resin, and I have my pendants. I have 5 pendants, so I just want to see where I want to put them. Maybe one here, So now I see where I need to put my pendants and glue them on. Okay, now that I have all 5 on, I'm going to go ahead and reinforce them a little bit more with more UV resin. Okay, so now let's attach our pendant. You just open the jump ring and slide it right through the bead. And now we have this. Isn't that cute? So now I'm going to glue this right in the center. But this time around, I'm going to use a combination of my Gorilla Glue and the UV resin. You don't want to put your resin on the glue. And just like that, you can lift it because of the UV resin. Isn't it pretty? Even alone, it's really pretty. So now I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue and put some around the base of my cylinder. Okay, so now I'll allow this to dry overnight. And we'll be done. Okay guys, so I'm back and it has dried completely. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to add some string lights to it so I can light it from the top and the bottom to show off the chandelier pendants. So I have my string lights, and to make this go by really fast, I'm going to use more of my UV resin. You can also use hot glue. I'm just going to lay this down, apply some UV resin. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So now I have lights from the top and the bottom. I'm going to take this battery pack and hot glue it under here. I'll glue this so the screws are still exposed so I can change the batteries whenever I need to. Glue it real close to the neck. Alright, so to finish this off, I'm going to take some of these Dollar Tree acrylic diamonds and put them right on top of the lights. Isn't that pretty? Now this can be done with flowers as well. So I'll turn the lights down, put it on display, and let you guys see what it looks like. And here's my completed chandelier candle holder. It's quite an elegant piece of decor, and I think it would be perfect for a wedding. Not too bad, considering I was able to make this with a few products from Dollar Tree and a glass candle holder from Goodwill. Comment below if you plan on recreating this DIY. And remember, I have several different Dollar Tree pendants to choose from, and I'll link that DIY in the description below. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.